Yes, students, we'll continue with the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Till now, we discussed 4 postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Now, the fifth postulate of Dalton's atomic theory is atoms combine in simple whole number ratio to form compound. Atoms combine in simple whole number ratio to form compound like CO2. This is a compound, carbon dioxide. How many carbon atoms? 1. How many oxygen atom? 2. So, in which ratio they combine? 1:2. So, this is simple whole number ratio. H2O. Water is a compound. In this, hydrogen how many? 2. Oxygen 1. So, in which ratio hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water? 2:1. So, atoms combine in simple whole number ratio to form compound. Okay. Now next, again the sixth postulate is important. The relative number and kind of atoms are constant in a given compound. The relative number and kind of atoms are constant in a given compound like H2O, water. This is a compound. The relative number and kind of atoms. What kind of atoms it has? Hydrogen and oxygen. And what is said? It is constant. Means compound is made up of same element. The relative number and kind of atoms are constant. Constant means fixed. So, what kind of atom this water is made up of? Hydrogen and oxygen. That is fixed in this compound. Water will be made up of hydrogen and oxygen. And what is said? Number of atoms are also constant. How many atoms of hydrogen? 2. How many atoms of oxygen? 1. And further students, atomic mass of the atoms is fixed. When number of atoms is fixed, atomic mass will also be fixed or constant. So, two things are clear from here. To form a compound, the relative number and kind of atoms are constant. Type of element, kind of element will be fixed, constant. Number of atoms will also be constant. When number of atoms are constant, their atomic masses are also fixed. So, these elements, they will combine together in same fixed proportion by mass to form compound. So, what is compound? Compound is a pure substance made up of same element combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So, what is your sixth postulate? Dalton's atomic theory. The relative number and kind of atoms are constant in a given compound. Now students, based on this postulate, a question is asked, which postulate of Dalton's atomic theory proves law of constant proportion? Now students, what is law of constant proportion? That is about compound. A compound is made up of same elements combined together in fixed proportion by mass. So here this postulate the relative number and kind of atoms are constant in a given compound. This proves law of constant proportion. So I marked here important. So out of these 6 postulates, students, 2 postulates, one of the postulate goes in accordance with law of conservation of mass, and the 6th postulate goes in accordance with law of constant proportion. So based on this postulates, 2 questions are asked. Okay. And directly also this postulates, to write the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory, it is asked in the exam. It is important. Other than this, 2 more questions arise from this theory, Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, so this Dalton's atomic theory, how many postulates we discussed? 6. And it is not necessary that you write in this order only. Okay, you can write the 6th point, this point you can write first. This is just the points, postulates of Dalton's atomic theory, and this theory is about matter. Okay, so what was the first postulate we discussed? It is about matter. So we are starting with matter. All matter is made up of tiny particles. What is that tiny particles called? Atoms. Second, continue with that to remember. Atoms are indivisible particles which can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. Now students, this postulate goes, it proves law of conservation of mass. Okay. Now third, atoms of same element are identical in mass and properties. Identical means same. Fourth, atoms of different element have different mass and properties. And fifth, atoms combine in simple whole number ratio to form compound. And sixth postulate, the relative number and kind of atoms are constant, fixed in a given compound. And this postulate proves law of constant proportion. Okay. So this theory, Dalton's atomic theory itself is very important. You learn the postulates, 6 postulates. Okay.